दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Dear friends, we are going to solve 8.3. Before that, these definitions which I have used in exercise 8.2 also. These are the definitions: sine, cos, tan in a right angle triangle. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. If this is the theta, so this is the base, this is the hypotenuse fixed. Base and hypotenuse fixed. So this will be P, perpendicular. This is the right angle triangle. So these were all definitions, and with the help of I have taken it as husband and wife because inverse relations, and this 90 minus theta as a neighboring relation, 90 minus theta. Okay, so this is only the tools which we will use, and the values also, but I think values will not required here. So question number 2, second number part. Let me solve second number or first number, both are equal. Cos, you will focus on complementary. 38 cos 52 degree minus sin 38 and sin 52. Without solving, students can give the answers. What will be the value? So that is equal to 0. 0 means the two terms are there, this minus of this, so both will be equal. So that's how you getting 0. Both will be equal means this equal to this, and just get it. 38 and 52 complementary. 38 and 52 complementary. But this is cos and cos, this is sin and sin. So in a one side it doesn't appear to be equal. So we will have to apply the formula, this one, neighboring relation, 90 minus theta. And what will you do? We will change only one. Either this we will change or this. So let me change this, or you may change this also. Okay, otherwise let me write this as it is: cos 38 degree cos 52 degree, and I will change this one. 38 complementary of 38 52. So when sine and 38 complementary, so sine will be cos and 38 complementary 52. So directly you can apply the formula 38 52, or you may write 90 minus 38, then 52 will come, and then change the cos to sine to the cos, but you can write directly. Now change 52 complementary 38 and neighboring of sine cos. So this is cos you have changed cos 38 cos 52 cos 30. Yes, the sequence is changed, multiplication, but multiplications are same, a into b, b into a. So you can write both are equal, 38 degree and cos 52 degree minus, you can change this now, because cos 38 and cos of 52, I have changed a into b, b into a, both are equal. So these all are equal now. It appears to be equal, so 0. Other you may cut it also. So this was the question number 2, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you know this one, neighboring relation, so directly you can apply 38 neighboring means complementary 38 52, and change the neighboring sine to cos neighboring. That is the key point. This is the key point, and this is also included in definition. I have told it for sin 60. This was sin 60 degree, at that time cos 30. When sin 30, cos was 60. So that's why on the earlier video I have told you, especially at that time when I was deriving the values, I had to told earlier. That was the special cases 30, 60 and 45, but now the cases are changed for any theta, 10 degree, 20 degree, like that. Okay, so this was the question number 2, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.